Yo, man, I'm so glad you guys tuned in and stayed in touch with me. I know it's been a while since I posted. I've been a little under the weather, but y'all are not here to hear about me and how sick I was or whatever. And I don't want to talk about that. Anyways, during that time of treatment and, getting through that whole sickness and everything, I made two incredible cops. These cops are exclusive. I mean, like, super exclusive. Um, they actually won't be coming out until next summer. That's how exclusive they were. I have a connect, and I'm so thankful for both of these cops. And so, not. I'm sure you're familiar with the brand Sharpie. And Supreme did something out of the box and did a collaboration with Sharpie. Now I know you're thinking, well, they always do collaborations, so that's not outside of the box, but trust me, the way this was done, it was out of the box. And that statement holds so much weight. So I'm gonna show you the Sharpie Supreme collab. First ever. This is the first ever that no one has ever seen. So you're going to feast your eyes on this. Look at that. Supreme. Established in the 1990s. Now, what makes this also special is that Supreme wanted the box logo, and Sharpie was like, nah, forget that. And this is how it's authenticated right here on the back. It says, "This is real, no play. And that's when you know it's authentic. I mean, they essentially, it looks like it was written by hand, but obviously it wasn't. Just, I'm just like, wow, that's crazy, And I mean, like the quality of the shirt is incredible. And also, they used V-neck. They never used V-neck. They always use crew neck. And I'm just like, that is amazing. I'm so impressed by this cop. So like next summer, it's really next spring. So like in mid-May, these are going to start coming out. And at retail, they're going to start out about like 70. And only one color. Only one color. It's a limited drop. And only one color. And if it goes well, they'll definitely do different colors. And by colors, they're gonna keep the white shirt, but they're just gonna change the color of the name printed on here, and it's gonna be like a collection. It's like I'm really, I have high hopes for this collaboration. Honestly, I seriously do. All right, the next drop I have, it's a little interesting. I never thought that I would ever. I learned so much from this cop. Okay, I'm gonna show you the symbol because you're gonna know the symbol as soon as you see it. This is a vintage Jordan logo. I don't know if you see that. See that? It's called Elite Boy. And basically, they wanted to give Jordan a brand when he was 17, but he legally wasn't a man yet. So they called it Elite Boy, and it eventually turned into Jump Man. But there's more behind this story. You see in this original picture here, his legs are spread out way more than it is on the regular Jumpman. What you don't know about Michael Jordan is that though he was in the '84 Olympics playing basketball, he also participated as a gymnast. And what happened was he lost every event in the gymnast genre, and he was able to have all the footage taken down, and I mean, just I like it, and it was erased from history essentially. Like nobody knew that Michael Jordan actually was a gymnast as well as a basketball player and played baseball as well. But I searched the internet high and low. I mean, I looked all over to see if I can find an inkling of Jordan as a gymnast, and I was lucky enough to find this photo here. See that? Look at that form. You know, like I can't like. I'm so like, you know, he's an incredible athlete. Like I like. There's nothing else I can say. He's an incredible athlete, and I. Oh my goodness. Anyways, this vintage shirt, they're gonna do a reprint of these starting in about February, and so you could go to Jumpman.com and get your own, or you can buy them from me. I'm selling these if you go to Jumpman.com, they're selling for like $80. I'm selling them for like 50. You know, because I don't, you know, so I'm selling them at a discount. So if you want one of these, they're $50. And if you want one of these exclusives here, right now you can get this right now for $70. Straight up, $70. And if you purchase any of these things through me, they'll go for a good cause. You see. Like I said, I'm sick, and so a lot of these things will go to help to pay for, like, you know, bills. Like I've been having a wound on my foot, and it's very expensive to, you know, get that. But yeah, I think it'll help a lot. You know, if you want to purchase some of these. But yeah, I thank y'all so much for tuning in, and keep watching my stuff. Listen, man. I don't know what else to tell you. I love you guys. Check out information in the description. Deuces.